So there's some breaking news coming in for you. In the Dabholkar murder case, accused Sachin Andure and Sharat Kalaskar have been found guilty. Remember, Mr. Dabholkar, who was an anti-superstition activist, was found murdered in northern Karnataka. The judge, in fact, today has sentenced both the accused to life imprisonment. That's the update we have for you. Accused Sachin Andure and Sharat Kalaskar have been found guilty. I have my colleague Radhika joining us with more details on this. Radhika, what is the update on Mr. Dabholkar's murder case?
That's right, Vasudha. That's the breaking news that we are getting from Pune Special Court. This is the special UAPA court that has, in fact, convicted 2 of the 5 accused as far as Narendra Dabholkar murder case is concerned. In fact, the 2 convicted are the 2 assailants. The 2 shooters have, in fact, been convicted by the court. However, we believe Tavde, who is supposedly, as per CBI, was the mastermind in the case, has been acquitted. And 2 others, including Punalekar, has also been acquitted. Remember, Tavde was the first person who was arrested by the CBI as far as the Narendra Dabholkar murder case is concerned. He was said to be the mastermind in this case and also a conspirator. He has, however, been acquitted. And the 2 shooters are the ones who've been convicted by the court. Post the arrest of shooters, in fact, 2 more people were arrested, including Punalekar, who was the counsellor. He was arrested for destruction of evidence along with his aide, and both of them have also been acquitted. So, yes, that's the details we are picking up. Of course, this is a case that, the entire incident happening in 2013, almost more than 10 years back, saw a lot of delays. This was taken over by CBI. In fact, initially, it was the Pune police investigating the case along with an SIT that was formed later. Of course, post which, of course, CBI took over the case after directions from the Bombay High Court. In fact, CBI case was also going in a very slow pace, which is why it was a court-monitored investigation. These 5 arrests happened over a period of 4 to 5 years. And the trial itself in the case began in 2021. And of course, the trial concluded just a while back, a few months back. And now, of course, of the 5, 2 have been convicted and 3 have been acquitted, life imprisonment for 2 who have been convicted.